In this video, I'll show you how to get DeepSeek API. If you found this tutorial useful, be sure to like the video and subscribe for more helpful tips. You would need to get the DeepSeek API to access its advanced AI models for natural language processing, including text generation, translation, and data analysis. It enables seamless integration of DeepSeek's capabilities into your applications or workflows. First, open your web browser and navigate to the API platform. Once you are on the platform, you will need to log in. The easiest way to do this is by using your Google account. This login method is completely free, so you won't have to worry about any upfront costs. After successfully logging in, you will see an option to generate a new API key in the top right corner. Click on this option, and the system will create a unique key for you. Once the key is generated, make sure to copy it. This key is essential, as it will allow you to integrate DeepSeek's API with different platforms and applications. Simply copy the key from there and use it in the applications that require it. One important thing to keep in mind is that while DeepSeek offers a free API key, there are certain usage limits. If you surpass the free quota, you will need to review the billing section to understand the charges for additional usage. To find out more details about pricing, you can visit the billing section on the DeepSeek API platform. Additionally, you can refer to the models and pricing documentation, which provides a detailed breakdown of pricing structures for different models. And that's it. If you like this video, make sure to subscribe for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.